Today's our topic is HIV, human immunovirus. AIDS stands for autoimmune disease syndrome. Basically, when we are talking about the diseases like smallpox, uh, plague, and one of the disease of the modern era that is called HIV/AIDS. अगर आप माजी में जाएं और हज़रत लूत अलैहिस्सलाम की कौम की बात करें दैट वाज एंगेज इन होमोसेक्सुअलिटी, तो बेसिकली ये वही डिज़ीज़ है जो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। दिस वाज द डिज़ीज़। वो एक अलग इशू है कि नाम चेंज कर दिया गया या उसको प्रोनाउंस कर दिया गया, लेकिन बेसिक ideology, basic sign and symptoms, and all management that is of the same disease which was among the people of the Lut era. This was the disease which had not only make revolution in the world, because modern scientists think that they are able to control the different diseases in the world. They were very happy that they have diagnosed disease, they have controlled and uh, just preventive disease of smallpox. But all of a sudden in 1981, there were some cases found in the United States of America, जिसका बाद में नाम दिया गया HIV/AIDS. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि डिजीज ऑलरेडी मौजूद, बट some cases of the new cases were incidents was found in America. So it was renamed the disease और उसको फिर HIV/AIDS का नाम. This is a basically disease which is transmitted from animal to the human beings or human being to the animals. इसमें वेक्टर जो है वो एनिमल्स हैं. चिंपैंजी जो स्पेशली अफ्रीका के जंगलात में एक ख़ास किस्म का चिंपैंजी है. There are two types, HIV/1, HIV/2. HIV/1 is very dangerous, HIV/2 is very rare. This is the sign. जैसे हम पिंक कलर लेते हैं ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के कंट्रोल के लिए, रेड रिबन इज द साइन ऑफ द एड्स. और जो तंजीमें एड्स कंट्रोल के लिए काम कर रही हैं, दे यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ साइन. जब ये साइन आप अपने सीने पे लगाते हैं, इट मीन्स यू आर फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट HIV/AIDS. What is AIDS? And 50% HIV infected person develop AIDS within 7 to 10 years. अच्छा, इन्फेक्शन जैसे ऑलरेडी आपको मैंने बताया, देयर इज अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस बिटवीन इन्फेक्टेड एंड डिजीज. समटाइम्स इन्फेक्शन गोज विदाउट डिजीज, बट समटाइम्स इन्फेक्शन लीड्स टू डिजीज. जैसे हमारा कोरोना वायरस में है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 30 to 40 million people in Lahore are infected, but there is no symptom. Whereas जो केसेस हम डिस्कस करते हैं रोज़ टीवी पे कि इतने हो गए इतने गए, दीज आर द सिम्टोमेटिक केसेस. 50% HIV infected person develop AIDS within 7 to 10 years. The WHO has already standardized a staging system for AIDS patient for clinical management and research purposes. WHO case definitions for AIDS for surveillance purposes are given below. These are of two types. WHO case definition for AIDS is spectrum test. टेस्ट हुआ हो या ना हो, लेकिन आपने क्लिनिकल बेसिस पे डायग्नोज करना है. For the purposes of AIDS surveillance and adult or adolescent age more than 12 years of age is considered to have AIDS if at least two of the following major signs are present in combination with at least one of the minor signs. And if these signs are not known to be due to condition unrelated to HIV infection. Major signs can weight loss more than 10% of the body weight, chronic diarrhea for more than 1 month, prolonged fever for more than 1 month. लेकिन एक चीज़ यहाँ पे I want to clarify, ये यकीनी तौर पे ये prolonged fever for more than 1 month बहुत से diseases like tuberculosis में भी ये शामिल है, इसलिए आपने रूल आउट करने में ये तमाम चीज़ें जो है ना डिफरेंशियल डायग्नोसिस कंसिडर करने. Intermediate or constant type of the fever and minor signs में आप persistent cough for more than 1 month. ये भी एक ऐसा माइनर साइन है जो बहुत सी डिजीज़ में होता है, इवन ट्यूबरकुलोसिस में और ब्रोंकोजेनिक कार्सिनोमा एटसेट्रा. जनरलाइज प्लूराइटिक डर्माटाइटिस, हिस्ट्री ऑफ herpes zoster, oropharyngeal candidiasis, chronic progressive or disseminated herpes simplex infection, generalized lymphadenopathy, WHO case definition for AIDS surveillance irrespective of the test. Advantage of the WHO case definition for AIDS surveillance are that it is simple to use and inexpensive since it does not rely on HIV serological testing. Limitations of this case definitions are its relatively low sensitivity and its low specificity, particularly with respect to tuberculosis, since HIV negative tuberculosis patients could be counted as AIDS cases because of their similarity in clinical presentation. Expanded WHO case definition for AIDS surveillance with positive HIV test. For the purpose of AIDS surveillance and adolescents age more than 12 years of age is considered to have AIDS if a test for HIV antibody gives a positive result and one or more of the following conditions are present. 10% more than 10% body weight loss or cachexia with diarrhea or fever are both intermittent or constant for at least 1 month, not known to be due to condition unrelated to HIV infections. Cryptococcus meningitis, pulmonary extrapulmonary tuberculosis, Kaposi's sarcoma, neurological impairment that is sufficient to prevent independent daily activities not known to be due to a condition unrelated to HIV infection, for example, trauma or cerebrovascular accident, candidiasis of the esophagus, which may be presumptively diagnosed based on the presence of oral candidiasis accompanied by dysphagia, clinically diagnosed life-threatening or recurrent episodes of pneumonia without etiological confirmation, invasive cervical cancer. Our WHO staging system is very important. This is the system which is easy to diagnose, and you can make stage of the disease at which stage you are dealing. Primary HIV infection may be either asymptomatic or associated with acute retroviral syndrome. Stage 1 HIV infection is asymptomatic with a CD4 T cell count, also known as CD4. CD stands for cluster differentiated, greater than 500 uh, per microliter or cubic millimeter of blood, may include generalized lymph node enlargement. Stage 2, mild symptoms, which may include minor mucocutaneous manifestations and recurrent upper respiratory tract infections. A CD4 count less than 500 per microliter. Stage 3 WHO staging. I am talking about WHO staging system. Stage 3 advanced symptoms, which may include unexplained chronic diarrhea for longer than a month, severe bacterial infections, including tuberculosis of lung, and a CD4 count of less than 350 microliter. Stage 4 are AIDS. This is the stage of the disease. Severe symptoms, which include toxoplasmosis of the brain, candidiasis of the esophagus, trachea, bronchi, or lungs, and Kaposi's sarcoma. A CD4 count of less than 200 microliter. कई बुक्स में 150 माइक्रोलीटर भी लिखा हुआ है. A CDC staging system, a stage 0, the time between a negative or indeterminate HIV test followed less than 180 days by a positive test. Stage 1, CD4 count more than 500 cells per microliter and no AIDS defining. Stage 2 CD4 count 200 to 500 cells per microliter and no AIDS defining conditions. Stage 3 CD4 count less than 200 cells per microliter are AIDS defining conditions. Unknown if insufficient information is available to make any of the above classifications. As far as AIDS in Pakistan is concerned, uh, there are two ways in which AIDS basically that was brought by the people who went abroad and were doing homosexuality in those areas, which were are sex. If the sex partner has the AIDS, so HIV is not currently a dominant epidemic in Pakistan. However, the number of the cases is growing day by day. Unluckily, the data we could not have because people are reluctant to get registered themselves in the hospitals for these cases. They hide, they get treatment confidentially and with confidentiality and secretly. So we are not finding correct and easy data for our students. Moderately high drug use and lack of acceptance that non-marital sex is common in the society have allowed the AIDS epidemic to take hold in Pakistan, mainly among injection drug users, some male sex workers, and repatriated migrant workers. AIDS may yet become a major health issue in future. The latest figures show that over 160,000 HIV cases have been reported since 2018. But again, I am repeating that this figure may or may not be true because unluckily we have not a proper registration of the AIDS anywhere else. और दूसरी बात है कि बदकिस्मती ये है कि वो कहते हैं ना एक मुनीर नियाजी का शेर है कुछ शहर के लोग भी जालिम सी कुछ सानू मरन का शौक नहीं सी यही कंडीशन है कि कुछ लोग अवॉइड करते हैं कि अपने आप को शो करें कि दे आर एड्स पेशेंट और कुछ गवर्नमेंट भी अवॉइड करती है तो उनको रजिस्टर किया है टू शो दैट कि हमारे पास बहुत कम केसेस हैं बोथ साइड्स नेग्लिजेंस है इंसिडेंट पर 1000 केस are 0.11. Prevalence is 0.1%. 22,000 people are newly infected with HIV. 6,400 people died due to HIV related diseases. अब इसमें सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि there are many cases जिनको simultaneously tuberculosis or AIDS थी. So you can't blame that patient died due to AIDS. 10% pregnant women living with HIV has started taking antiretroviral medication to prevent their babies. 40% of people with AIDS know their status, whereas 10% were on treatment. Same-sex relations are illegal in Pakistan. Homosexuality is not allowed legally, morally, and religious point of view से लिहाजा पाकिस्तान में इसको illegal declare किया गया है. Officials say that the majority of cases go unreported due to social taboos about sex and victims' fears of discrimination. On the other hand, more detailed and recent data suggest that this may be an overestimate. Evolving phases of the HIV epidemic. HIV epidemic evolves in three phases. First phase is low prevalence, when prevalence of the disease is less than 5% in any high-risk group of the country. Second phase is concentrated epidemic, when proportion of infected people in any high-risk group rises more than 5%. Third and last phase of epidemic is generalized epidemic, when prevalence of HIV infected rises over 1% among blood donor or pregnant women. Current data suggests that Pakistan has a concentrated epidemic among injection drug users in most cities and among male sex workers in a few cities. A number of factors may have contributed to keeping the overall transmission of disease within the general population. One, Pakistan is predominantly Muslim country with near universal circumcision. Secondly, ये जो circumcision का concept था ये 1400 साल पहले हजूर नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने दिया और बदकिस्मती से यूरोपियन कंट्रीज जो है उन्होंने इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. लेकिन आज जब एड्स की बारी आई तो सबसे पहले कहा गया कि circumcision is the best management of AIDS. Secondly, taboos on sex may have led to higher proportion of the need for non-marital sex to be met with via sex between men, much from a smaller group of men within each person's ability. Some of this is suggested by the fact that about 45% of all sex acts sold are by either male or transgender sex workers. HIV AIDS सर्वेलेंस प्रोजेक्ट 2007 में ये बात थी. These factors may have led to a high rate of HIV transmission, but may temporarily slow down the transmission of HIV to the rest of the population. Role of therapeutic injections. A major factor that must be accounted for in the overall HIV transmission scenario is the rampant use of therapeutic injections, often with non-steroidal injection equipment. There are an estimated 800 million therapeutic injections given annually in Pakistan. मेरा ख्याल है कि सबसे one of those countries जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा use. This is among the highest in the world. A small but significant proportion of these are reused. This has led to the prevalence of hepatitis C infection, which is nearly exclusively transmitted via blood experience, to become more than 5% nationwide, although this seems to have stabilized at national level. Conservatively, this suggests a new hepatitis C infections annually, leading to the conclusion that HIV can also potentially spread via this route as well. Indeed, recent community-based outbreaks in Punjab suggest that the process may have already started. Pakistan's response to HIV/AIDS began in 1987 with the establishment of a Federal Committee on AIDS by the Ministry of Health. The National AIDS Control Program was then established. Its objectives are the prevention of HIV transmission among specific population subgroups, save blood transfusions, reduce sex-transmitted infections transmissions, establishment of surveillance, training of health staff, research and behavioral studies, and development of program management. Going forward, the government of Pakistan has approved a new ambitious 5-year plan that will be worth almost 8 billion Pakistani rupees. How a number of challenges will have to be met during this phase. The most immediate, perhaps, will be developing the methodology of measuring the impact of program interventions. Future of HIV and Pakistan national response. Other challenges that must be overcome include establishment of a transparent financial management and a smooth logistical and procurement system. Much of the enhanced program services are contracted out, and delays in procurement of these services meant that many of these cities went without services for months to years. How to control AIDS? Number one, preventive measures. Sexual discretion. Sexual promiscuity should be avoided. Anal sex, multiple sex partners, and sex with persons infected or suspected to have AIDS should be avoided or minimized. Blood and blood products should be kept free from AIDS infection till the laboratory test procedures for this purpose are well established. An important step in this direction will be discouraging persons belonging to high AIDS risk groups from donating blood. uh, at least in स्क्रीनिंग जहाँ पे हम हेपेटाइटिस बी और सी की करवाते हैं, ये एड्स भी शामिल होना चाहिए, और जब तक एड्स क्लियरेंस का सर्टिफिकेट ना हो ब्लड नहीं देना चाहिए. Blood transfusion should be given only when strictly indicated. Hemophilia should be given heat-treated preparations instead of coagulation factor concentrate. Appropriate health education should be given to public and to school and college students. ये एक चीज़ जो है कि स्टिग्मा है जिससे लेके लोग बहुत ज़्यादा खौफजदा हो जाते हैं, उनको बताया जाए कि कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है ये सेक्स पार्टनर चेंज करने, और आगे जाके मैं बताऊंगा कि कौन से मेजर्स किए जा सकते हैं, इनको बताया जाए कि किस तरह ये प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है. Treatment facilities for drug users should be expanded to include AIDS-related health education, particularly as regards use of safe needles. Free and anonymous or confidential HIV testing, counseling, and referral services should be routinely made available at different clinics centers. Healthcare workers should be careful in handling needles. यार इसको मना करो अभी रुक जाइए आप Healthcare workers should be careful in handling needles, sharp instruments, and blood. Latex gloves should be used whenever one has to handle blood or fluid that are visibly bloody. Control of patient's contacts and the immediate environment. Number one, uh, notification is very important. I have बारह दफा मैंने आपको notification बताई है. When you are reporting to the health authorities or administration about the cases, you must inform the higher authorities, whether health department or administration department. Isolation precautions should be taken to avoid contact with blood and body fluids of the patient. Concurrent disinfection of all equipment of contaminated with blood, all excretions and secretion of the blood. ये एक चीज़ यहाँ पे मैं वाज़ह कर दूँ कि एड्स पेशेंट की जितनी भी सिक्रेशन है, दूध है, ब्लड है और अपना सीमन है, ये सब एड्स को ट्रांसमिट करने में नुमाया किरदार अदा करते हैं. HIV infected person and their sex partners should not donate blood for transfusion. In any case, immunization of the contacts. Investigation of immunization, though there is no vaccine for the AIDS patient, but if available, you can कहीं सुना है कि कुछ ऐसे कंट्रीज हैं जहाँ पे ट्रायल हो रहे हैं. Investigation not feasible as a routine. Specific treatment, the currently available antiretroviral drugs cannot cure HIV infection. There are three different approaches to HIV vaccine. Mechanism may preventive vaccine to prevent HIV negative person from being infected. Prenatal vaccine to vaccinate HIV infected pregnant women in order to protect the fetus or the newborn child from being infected. Therapeutic or post-infectious vaccine to delay the progression to delay in the, ये basically mechanism है. Types of the vaccine: live attenuated vaccines, inactivated vaccine, subunit vaccine, synthetic peptide vaccine, DNA vaccine, recombinant vector vaccines, status of AIDS vaccine. ग्लोबल सिनेरियो क्या है इसका? The International AIDS Vaccine Initiative, WHO, United Nations AIDS, and other, including vaccine industry, are involved in the development of vaccine. Out of the 24 candidate vaccines in different stages of development, 18 are in phase 1 trial, 3 in phase 2, 1 and 2 are trial, 2 are in phase 2 trial, and only one is in the phase 3 trial, which is VaxGen's GP 120 days AIDS vaccine that is being tested in Thailand. Post-exposure prophylaxis indications. Uh, Needle stick, cuts from other injuries, sharp contact of eye, nose, mouth, or skin with blood, objective to prevent HIV infection of cells, prompt measures, not to do panic, not to put finger into mouth. Affected part is washed with soap and water. Antiretroviral drugs should be started as early as possible within 2 hours, and if it is not recommended beyond 72 hours. Regimen. Zidovudine 300 milligram twice a day and limivudine 150 milligram twice a day. If source individual has advanced AIDS, then uh, nalfenavir is added in this group. If source has failed on zidovudine and lamivudine therapy, then stavudine and uh, didenosine combination is used. Therapy is continued for 4 weeks. If HIV antibody test is found to be positive at any time within 12 weeks, then treatment of HIV infection started. If found to be negative, then the blood examination is repeated after 3 to 6 months. Prevention of parent to child transmission, PPTCT. The program aims to prevent the prenatal transmission of HIV from an HIV-infected pregnant mother to her newborn baby. Counseling and testing of pregnant women is done. Pregnant women found to be HIV positive are given a single dose of nevirapine at the time of labor, and their newborn babies also get a single dose of nevirapine immediately after birth so as to prevent transmission of HIV from mother to child. These are the chimpanzees. This is the virus showing you. Clinical features. Quickly coming to the next topic, disinfection. Uh, Disinfection, thermal or chemical destruction of pathogen and other types of microorganisms. Disinfection is less lethal than sterilization because it destroys most recognized pathogenic microorganisms, but not necessarily all microbial forms. Chemical or physical agent that destroys disease causing pathogen or other harmful microorganism but might not kill bacterial spores. What is sterilization? Validated process used to render a product free of all forms of viable microorganisms, including bacterial spores. Sterilizer is the apparatus used to sterilize medical devices, equipment, or supplies by direct exposure to the sterilizing agent. There are different ways: asepsis, sanitizer, sterile, hospital infect, disinfect, germicide, detergent, cleaning, deodorant. All these are used, especially sanitizer and hospital disinfect are used in coronavirus disease. Common. Antiseptic substance that prevents or arrests the growth or action of microorganisms by inhibiting their activity or by destroying them. The term is used especially for preparation applied topically to living tissue. Properties are antiseptic and they should be broad spectrum, fast acting, not affected by environmental factors, गर्मी सर्दी या बारिश के असर में, non-toxic हो, surface compatibility and residual effect on treated surfaces and easy to use. That should be odorless, economical, solubility, stability, cleaner, environmentally friendly. Types of the disinfection: concurrent disinfection, terminal disinfection, and prophylactic disinfection. Concurrent disinfection है कि जब आप पेशेंट्स के आने से पहले बेड्स वगैरह या कमरे को डिसइंफेक्ट करते हैं। टर्मिनल डिसइंफेक्शन है कि जब मरीज चला जाता है या डेथ हो जाती है उसके बाद आप प्रोफिलैक्टिक डिसइंफेक्शन है कि जब आप एहतियाती तौर पर डिसइंफेक्शन करते हैं। Types of the disinfection: natural agents, those are sunlight, one of the best and easily available disinfectant. Air, physical agents, burning, hot air, boiling, uh, autoclaving, and radiation. Chemical agents: phenol and related compounds. Number one, phenol, crude phenol, cresol, cresol emulsions, uh, chlorhexidone, hexachlorophane, and Dettol. Quaternary ammonia compounds, citramide and savolene, and halogens and their compounds, chlorine and chlorine compounds. Number one, bleaching powder, hypochlorite, chlorine tablets, alternative compounds, superoxidized water, and iodine. Alcohols, formaldehyde, oxidizing agents, potassium permanganates, hydrogen peroxide, uh, per acetic acid, metals, limes, ethylene oxide. Miscellaneous inactivity agents, pasteurization, microwave, flushing, and washer disinfection, infectors, ultraviolet radiation, and ozone. Factors affecting sterilization: cleaning, pathogen type, biofilm accumulation, lumen length and lumen diameter, uh, this restricted flow, device design and construction, recommended procedure, feces and urine, sputum and room. These are the three things which should be properly sterilized. Now, quickly coming to the very different topic, that is surveillance. What is surveillance? Surveillance is a systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of health-related data essential to the planning, implementation, and evaluation of public health process, closely integrated with the timely dissemination of these data, those responsible for prevention and control. ये जैसे आजकल हमारे प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी हेल्थ केयर डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पंजाब इज डूइंग द सेम जॉब, ये सर्वेलेंस कर रहे हैं, तो टेस्टिंग, इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड कंटेंट्स। एक्टिव सर्वेलेंस, एक्टिव सर्वेलेंस उसे कहते हैं जो आप डायरेक्ट डोर टू डोर जाके करते हैं, पेश मरीज या मरीज के लवाकिन को देख। पैसिव सर्वेलेंस है जो आपको रजिस्टर या पर्चियों पे डाटा दिया जाता है। सेंटिनेट है जो गुमशुदा जो है वो आप व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम। हिरार्की अप्रोच क्या है? रिस्क फैक्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन, व्हाट इज द कॉज। जब आप सर्वेलेंस कर रहे हैं तो पहले नंबर पे आपने कहना है व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, what is the cause, what is the methodology used, what is the procedure, and or how you perform. Recognition of disease situation, pandemic all over the world, are approximately 3/4 of the world. Epidemic smallpox, endemic disease मौजूद है but not active. Sporadic 50-50. यूज ऑफ सर्वे डिटर्मिनेंट्स, जब तक आपको डिटर्मिनेंट ऑन गोइंग डिजीज प्रोग्राम क्या फैसिलिटीज गवर्नमेंट के लेवल पे, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, पंजाब गवर्नमेंट या प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे प्रपोज डिजीज प्रोग्राम, आप इसको कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं, कैसे अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं। रिसर्च एंड एजुकेशन इन लीड्स एंड रेजिमेंट बाय WHO. Estimate of disease rates and trends, uses of sentinel services. सोर्स ऑफ सर्वेलेंसेज में क्या है? हॉस्पिटल एंड मेडिकल केट स्टैटिक्स, चैनल्स ऑफ कोऑपरेटिंग physicians, public health laboratories reports, absenteeism from schools and college, telephone and household, newspaper and newscasting reports. Though these reports last maybe some dispersing or not few. Elements of surveillance scam: mortality registration, morbidity reporting, epidemic reporting, laboratory investigations, individual care investigations, epidemic field investigations, and entity surveillance. Animal reservoir and vector distribution studies, biological and drug utilization, knowledge of the population and environment. Outcome of the principal steps for the conduct of service. Outcome of surveillance: sampling of population, collection of data, prevalence of disease in population, methods of measurement, the sampling frame and sampling unit. Selection of probability based samples. The pre-test of the questionnaire, about 5 to 7% question are pre-tested. Organization of the field work and training of the interviewer. Validation, summary and analysis of data. Interpretation of data and future strategies. Report writing and executive summary. Surveillance introduction, definition and objectives. Objectives: study population, target and sample frame population. Sampling unit, sampling method, design and methodology, questionnaire development and surveillance. Pre-test questionnaire, data collection procedure, data processing and quality control, data analysis, data preventive, data interpretation, report writing and executive summary. थैंक यू वेरी मच। आज मैंने क्विकली जल्दी आपके 3 टॉपिक ख़त्म किए हैं। I hope so. Though there is a saturation of the lectures, I know you are not feeling at ease, but despite all these things, I am trying my best level to put everything in your mind through lectures. But though it is not easy, I hope so you will learn it more and more. Thank you.